This is a break, no, not Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy sent this over earlier. He said, put it up. Where can I hear that, Doug? David down to Skippy Skippy. 6 times. Camera's about to die. It's losing its life. One, two, three, four, five. Damn, almost a perfect cut. Almost. Very close. But no cigar. David, enjoy all of these. You have De'Aaron Fox acetate. Just base. Oh, never mind. Polka shot. Wait, this is 21-22. Never mind. I think it was 2021. I was like, there. Oh, send this in for grading, if you will. Rudy Gay orange. Might want to send that in for grading. See how surface and edges do. How come my card graded a 1? That card is known as the old famous Panini chip. Got stuck on it. Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul. I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Russ G. This one is 6 of only 12. Markieff Morris. 6 of 12. Super short print on that one. Only 12 on Earth. LeBron base. Kyrie Irving. And base. Alright, Rush G. Those are yours. Johnny Burseth. Steph Curry. Nicholas Claxton. And base. David gets the next 4 packs. Just base KD. Bradley Beal. Bradley, pay the bill. Just base, Damian Lillard. Ooh, baby, baby. It's a Donovan Mitchell orange. Hey, you got both oranges coincidentally. This one does not have the old famous Panini chip on it though. No chips on there. David. Next, Long Bomber Mark. Just base, flip and turn, Aaron Wiggins. That's the 210 orange version. Ricky Rubio. Hey, you got another number. Franz Wagner, number to 999. base. Alright. Now, Mark, you got 2 numbered cards. No autographs yet. Next up, Paul Mann. Thomas Bryant. Orange, you excited? Paul Pierce, Tidal Waves, Acetate, and Tattletailin in them. Paul, let me put that with yours. Alrighty, next up, Jeremy. Still looking for 2 autographs, right? Oh, there you are. What's up, Long Bombers? Mark, you got it, man. Orange Zion, Power Formulas. Miles Turner. LeBron James, Spellbound. And base. Who did I say that was? Oh, Jeremy. That LeBron Spellbound wasn't numbered, right? No. Was the Zion? Okay, no. Either one, Jeremy, work. Alrighty then. Skippy, polished Skippy. You should get both autographs. Because we haven't hit them yet. So Skippy, let's see who you get. Dude. Well, we got a Chris Paul acetate. Looks like our first autograph is Eric Gordon, Impact Impressions. Eric Gordon autograph, and ooh, the Panini chip's getting slightly worse. Slightly worse on the Panini chip there. Jordan Poole. Quentin Grimes is the next autograph. Number /49, Pen Pals, Quentin Grimes. On-card autograph. And base. Alright, Skippy, those are yours. Thanks, everybody.